Hey everybody, this is like take 22 for me. This is not a joke. I'm competing with the sun and it's making things really, really bright and then you can't see them on the screen. So, I'm really trying to make this video for you. Um, but here we go, let's try again. We're gonna start out with the basics and I'm going to do 2 single digit subtracted by single digit problems first, okay? So we're going to do 7 minus 5, and we're going to do 8 minus 6, okay? So here's our 2 problems that we're going to work on first. Let's do 7 minus 5 first. Well, we're going to pretend that we have 7 boxes in our front yard. Okay? And our neighbor, he came over and he's all like, hey man, can I have 5 boxes? And we're like, sure, we have plenty of boxes. So we're gonna give our neighbor 5 boxes. And that leaves us with 2 boxes. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Well, now we need to check our work. And the opposite of subtraction is addition. So we're going to take our answer, which is 2, and we're going to add it to 5. And we're going to see what we have. And remember, with adding, I like to use dots. So for the top number, we're going to put 2 dots. And for the bottom number, we're going to put 5 dots. And then we're going to count all of our dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots. So does this 7 match this 7? Yes, it does. It's perfect. Now we're going to move over to 8 minus 6. And again, we got some boxes in our backyard. We have exactly 8 boxes. And our neighbor, they come over and they're like, hey man, can I have 6 boxes? And we're like, sure, we have 8 boxes. We have some to spare. So we're going to give them 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that leaves us with 2 boxes left. So 8 minus 6 is 2. But now we are going to undo that and check our answer. And we're going to add 2 plus 6. And remember, when we do addition, I really like to use boxes. I like to use dots. So we're going to put 2 dots for the top number and 6 dots for the 6. And now we're just going to count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. This 8 and this 8, they match. So is this problem correct? It sure is. Good job. Now we're going to move into our double digit minus double digit numbers. We're going to do 25 minus 13. And we're also going to do 47 minus.
Hey, Mommy,
I am doing a video. I will be out in just a moment. Thank you. 47 minus 16. I don't have a different color pen, but remember, here are our 2 numbers that we're going to do. You can't see that. There it goes. We're going to start over here with 25 minus 13. Okay? And remember, I want to dissect it because I want us concentrate on our ones first, okay? And we know, we've put in our brain that we're subtracting. So here we go. We're gonna make how many boxes? 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 boxes. Our neighbor comes over. Hey man, can I borrow or can I have 3 boxes? We're like, sure, we have 5 boxes. We can give you 3 boxes. So we give our neighbor 3 boxes. That leaves us with 2 boxes. Okay. Well, now we have to move over to our tens place. And we're going to, again, make our boxes. We have 2 boxes in our front yard. And our neighbor comes over. Hey man, can I have a box? How many boxes do you want? I just want 1 box. And we're like, yeah, we have plenty of boxes. So we give our neighbor 1 box. And that leaves us with 1 box left. So 25 minus 13 is 12. But now we have to check our work. And the opposite of subtraction is addition. And so we're going to add 13 and 12. I did not leave enough room over here, so we're going to do it right over here. We're going to say 12 plus 13 equals, and we're hoping that it equals 25. So let's see. We're going to start in the ones column, and remember when we do addition, I like to use dots. And now we're just going to count our dots. We put 2 dots for the 2, we put 3 dots for the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we have to move over to our tens column. And we have a 1 and a 1. So we want to put 1 dot and 1 dot. And now we're going to put our dots together. We're going to add them together. 1, 2. So this 25 and this 25, do they match? They sure do. Check. Good job. Okay, so now we have to dissect this one. And remember, we're going to cover the tens place. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put a line down it. We're going to cover up our tens place and focus on our ones. And we're going to put our 7 boxes. We got 7 boxes in the backyard. And our neighbor comes over. May I have 6 boxes? You sure can. So we're going to give our neighbor 6 boxes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves us with 1 box left. Okay? So 7 minus 6 equals 1. Now we're going to move over to our tens place. And in our tens place, we have a 4 and a 1. We're going to do 4 minus 1. And in our front yard, we have 4 boxes. And our neighbor comes over. Hey man, can I have a box? Just 1 box. And we're like, sure, we have plenty of boxes. You can have 1 box. So we take away 1 box. That leaves us with 3 boxes left. Is that the right way? Yeah, okay. Sorry, writing upside down is difficult. So 47 minus 16 equals 31. Well, now we want to take these numbers and add them together to make sure we're correct. So we're going to go 16 plus 31 equals. Remember, I like us to, remember we have to start in the ones column. And we're going to go 6 plus 1. And I like dots when we're adding. So what? For the 6, I put 6 dots. For the 1, I put 1 dot. And now we're going to count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody with me? Good job. And now we're moved over to the tens place. And then we have a 1 and a 3. 1, 2, 3. So I've made 1 dot for the 1 and 3 dots for the 3. And now we're going to count them all together because we're adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So does this number match this number? It sure does. Check. Perfect job. I hope this helps. And this is a longer video than I expected. I hope that this helps. If y'all have any questions, please don't hesitate to holler at me. And we'll work on it again. We'll work on it until everybody gets it. Alright? That's all. If you have any questions, again, just give me a holler. Bye guys.